Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho Books data with scheduled exports and archive detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Zoho Books account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to access settings. In the settings menu, locate the option labeled Data Backup. Click on Data Backup to enter the backup configuration page. Select the Scheduled Exports tab. Here, you can set up regular exports of your data. Choose the frequency at which you want these exports to occur, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, select the specific data you wish to back up. Options may include invoices, bills, contacts, or any other relevant data. After selecting your preferred data types, choose the file format for export. Options typically include formats like CSV or Excel. Proceed to set the start time for your scheduled exports. This time will determine when the export process initiates. Next, enter the email address where you would like to receive the backup files. Make sure this email address is accurate to avoid any issues. Once everything is set, click on Save to confirm your scheduled export settings. Now, your data will be automatically backed up at your specified intervals. To archive your backup files, navigate to the Archive section within the Data Backup menu. In this section, you can organize and store your previous exports for future access. Select the exports you wish to archive. You can create folders for better organization if needed. Click on the Archive button to store the selected exports securely. Verify that your exports have been archived successfully. This process ensures that your Zoho Books data is consistently backed up and easily retrievable whenever necessary. Make it a habit to periodically check your archived files to ensure everything is in order. This will help maintain an efficient and organized backup system. By following these steps, you will have a robust backup strategy for your Zoho Books data through scheduled exports and archiving. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.